Before getting into the main subject, I would like to ask the viewers to confirm that the facts I will show you from now on are so important that they rewrite not only the history of art, but also the history of human beings. Please look carefully at these pictures. These are the dogs depicted in the Mithras statues. The characteristic of these dogs is that all of them have a thin and long nose. However, a dog that looks exactly like these dogs is also drawn in that Mona Lisa. On the right side of Mona Lisa, there is something which looks like a rock at first glance, but if you look closely, an eye of it is well drawn. Yes, it is a dog. But why is a dog drawn in such a place in Mona Lisa? It's not just a dog. In Mona Lisa, a snake and a scorpion are also drawn. The pets of Nergal, the god of Mars, are depicted in Mona Lisa as they are. But why are Nergal's pets here in Mona Lisa? A hint to solve the mystery is in the Greek sculpture of Mithras. I, Hiroshi Hayashi, explain that to you in this video, but when you understand why, you are sure to think it wasn't humans who drew Mona Lisa. It was just God who could draw Mona Lisa. I promise you so here. 本論に入る前に視聴者の皆さんに確認していただきたいことがあります。これから皆さんにお見せする事実は美術史のみならず人間の歴史そのものを書き改めるほど重大な事実です。注意深くどうかこれらの写真を見てください。これらはミトラ像の中に表現されている犬です。この犬の特徴は鼻が細く長いという点にありますが、この犬とそっくりの犬があのモナリザの絵の中に描かれていました。